On the Chengdu Motor Show on August 26, the Guangxi Aian has launched its 2023 V Plus pure electric vehicle SUV. It is available in 10 versions with the newest color of Mr. Green as well. They have added a slight, it has a 4 pack of battery capacity. With different, it has 4 pack battery with and the drive motors is about 165 kilowatt to 200 kilowatt. They have used the new super speed battery technology to charge it within 5 minutes and can go up to 200 kilometers.
As you can see here, this is the positioner. This helps this to, this is called the rotate plate. This helps this to put the way that it wants, that people want. It can change the ways that you want, 360 different ways that you want. This is the iron. This machine gun helps these two iron to combine it as one. Not only that, but the second time that you want to put the same logo as the last time, it will help to put it the same time as it was as the last time. And not only that, but also can help us humans to stop hurting ourselves. Another fabulous machine that I have behind me is this intelligent packaging paper and container equipment, which is known as a high-speed driven servo intelligent paper cut machine.
This is a fully electric drone from Yihang. And look at these wings, how cool is that? It is totally made of carbon fiber. And it is totally electric, so it's very friendly to our environment. And you don't need any license to buy this drone. It is an automatic driver drone. You don't need any license to buy it. It doesn't matter that whoever you are, you can buy it at any time, at any place. Look at the interior. How cool is that? Two people can fly at the same time in this electric drone, and you just have to select the place, or you just have to press the button that where you want to go, and then you just have to start. And it can be fully charged within 2 hours, and it can fly up to 30 minutes with one charge. This is a solar power battery from Felicity Solar Technology. It has 2 versions. This is the smaller version for using at home, and there is the bigger version for using at a company. It has a 10 years warranty. There are 5 kilowatt and there are 10 kilowatts, 2 battery capacity. It can save the energy from our sun, and it can be used in our home. Hello, can you please simply introduce about your company?
Our company name is Highfly. We are a professional lighting manufacturer in Zhongshan, Guzheng.
Can you please tell me about the participating Canton Fair every year, and how much have you benefited by participating the Canton Fair?
Before the COVID-19, we participate in Canton Fair every year. And for example, like this year, this is the third day. Third days, we got more than 400 new customers here. Yeah, yes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.